Hey folks, Sheila here from Design Files. I just wanted to pop on with a quick video because we've made some new updates to the client submission process. And these new updates are going to make it really quick and easy for you to choose the exact design boards that you want to send out to your client. And it's also going to give you the flexibility to hide some of your design boards whenever you're in the process of making any updates or changes to them. So let's go ahead and I'll show you exactly how this works. So let's say that you have a number of design boards created and you're ready to start submitting designs to your client. So if you're ready to do that, you're just going to click on the Submit to Client button here. And from here, you can add in your client's email address if they're not already added to the project. And then you can start choosing exactly which design boards you want to send to them. All you have to do is turn this toggle on if you want your client to be able to see and access this design board. Keep the toggle off for any design boards that you don't want them to see. So the nice thing about this is that if you have created, let's say, 7 design boards in your project and you want to send 4 of those designs out to your client, you're not having to go to those individual design boards and send them one at a time now. Now you can just grab all the design boards that you want and submit them to your client in one email. Now you still have the option to add in a custom message down here. So if you want, go ahead and add that in and then go ahead and submit the designs to the client. Now, once that's been submitted, let's say that your client has clicked on the link, they've come in, they've reviewed the design boards, and they left feedback on some of the design boards to say they want to see some of the products switched out with a few other options. So at this point, what you can actually do is, let's say your client had some changes, they're not really loving the curtains, and maybe they want to see another option for the sofa. So if you want to come in and you want to start making changes to this design board, but you want to make sure that your client is not accessing the design board at the same time while you're making those changes, you can go into this menu right here and you can choose to turn this toggle off so that your client no longer has access to this design board. Okay? That way you can make your changes, get everything set up, and when you're ready to represent this particular design to your client, you can just go ahead, jump back into the option where you can submit the design board to your client and then give them access to this design board again. So that's how it currently works. Definitely log in and give it a try and let us know what you think. The great thing about this new feature is that it's definitely going to make it a lot faster for you to pick the exact design boards that you want to send out to your client. And you are now getting that full control where you can hide design boards that were previously submitted to a client so they can't get in there and view it while you're in the process of making any updates. So yeah, definitely get into your account, test it out, and let us know what you think.